Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has explained why he gave Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, a life sentence instead of the death penalty following his conviction on terrorism charges on Thursday, November 20. Recall that the prosecution in the case involving Nnamdi Kanu, led by Adeboyega Awomolo, on Thursday, November 20, urged the Federal High Court Abuja to sentence the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra to death. Awomolo argued that given Kanu was found guilty of counts 1 to 6, he should be handed capital punishment. According to the senior advocate of Nigeria, that is the only sentence that the lordship will enforce. The judge noted that while the law allowed for the death penalty, he opted for mercy, citing teachings from the Holy Book. Jesus Christ taught his followers to show mercy. The death penalty is gradually being abolished in many countries, and religious doctrines advocate compassion, Justice Omotosho said, quoting the book of Matthew. Justice Omotosho added that Kanu's detention must reflect the seriousness of the sentence while ensuring his protection. He ruled that Kanu should not be kept at Kuje Correctional Center, stating that the facility would not achieve the intended purpose of the sentence. He is to be placed in protective custody at a secure location approved by the authorities, the judge said. The court ordered that Kanu must not access any electronic device unless under strict supervision by the Office of the National Security Advisor. Justice Omotosho also directed the forfeiture of the transmitter used for Kanu's broadcast to the federal government. He added that other equipment linked to the case would be confiscated if no appeal is filed, reinforcing the legal consequences of his action. Justice Omotosho handed down multiple prison sentences, including life imprisonment on counts 1, 4, 5, and 6, all tied to terrorism-related offenses. The court also imposed 20 years imprisonment on count 3 and 5 years imprisonment on count 7, both without the option of a fine. The judge further set unusually strict conditions for Kanu's detention, citing what he described as the IPOB leader's violent tendencies and associated atrocities. Future access to any digital device is allowed only with the express approval and physical supervision of the National Security Advisor.